bored. Like, seriously bored. Like, I need something to do. These are what's left of the floral arrangements that I made for my son's wedding. So we have 2 candlesticks. They're not candlesticks. I don't know what I use them for, to put floral arrangements on. And these 2 silver trays, which I put the flowers on. E6000 to glue the buggers on. And then these, that paint in my favorite charcoal. Okay, so what I've done with these, because they were originally put together incorrectly anyway, but the weighted base was here. So they were like that. And they had these trays sitting on top of them with the flowers on top. Not glued or anything. We were in a hurry and we were on a serious budget too. So that didn't work well. Even though the bottom was weighted, see, I've straightened it and I need to tighten it again. I flipped them upside down because the base is wider like this, and I will glue the plates onto it like that. They're going to be plant stands. Do our best to center it. So it's not centered here. Okay. If you don't have E6000, you can use silicone sealer. It works really well also, but I like the hold that this has. It never comes off. Scooch on over to the other side. You say you love me one day, next you don't. Knowing damn well rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion. They're glued down. I'm gonna go find something heavy to put on both of them. They need to cure for about 24 hours, and then you can pick them up, paint them, do whatever you want. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. This is my next project. It's a typical Ikea shelf, but I don't like the way it sits on the floor. So since my menfolk are all out right now, gone, this is my leg. I'm gonna try and do this myself. Okay, I can't get this thing off. It's on so tight. I can't turn the key to swap out the drill bit. So I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Elbow grease and a screwdriver. I did 2 already. I tapped holes first, little holes, with the tip of the screw first. The legs are all on. Let's see if I can get this bad boy off the floor and up on its feet without breaking said legs off. Yeah? Just in time. Can you come help? Can you come help? Super quick. I'm trying to put it up on its legs without breaking them.
Hold the leg up.
Hold the leg.
There we go. Pretty cool, actually.